Hello, I'm Dan Hannig. I am one of the founders and the CEO, CTO of Drench Fire Defense. Welcome to Clear Lake, California, where we have installed our first drench system. This is our top of the line off-grid home defense system to protect from any kind of wildfire that is threatening Lake County and the surrounding area, and also any local fires that start immediately near the cabin as well. So this is where the system starts. We have a off-grid water tank here with an automatic fill. So whenever the water starts draining, it automatically starts filling back up. But in the event of an emergency, when the utility water is not working, you have a huge amount of water sitting in your tank here that we use to spray down your house and property. So the system starts off with the water tank. The water is drawn out of your water tank into a high-powered pump. I'll show you that in just a minute. This is the control system here. Out of the pump, the water goes up to our distribution system here on the side of the house. We have what are essentially industrial or agricultural level sprinkler valves that then direct the water to the different pipe zones that we have throughout your house. Our standard installation is 4 zones, but depending on the size of the house, that can go up. We've got one zone that you can see here underneath the eaves. That also goes down and sprays a deck as well that is on the front of the house. We have a second system that mirrors this on the other side of the house. And then we have two zones on the roof that are very similar as well. Each one covers half of the house. So our control system is as well totally off-grid. We have a solar system that is providing the power to charge the batteries in this control system. And as you can see here, we have a huge battery bank, which again is customizable depending on the size of the house. We can easily add more batteries if needed. We have an inverter that translates your DC battery voltage into AC so that we can run this 1.5 horsepower, essentially an agricultural pump. Down over here we have a water leak sensor, which is also a freeze sensor. Just in case there's ever water that leaks, you will immediately be notified. That sensor is a wireless sensor that runs off of long-range, low-power wireless called LORA wireless. We have temperature sensors also throughout the whole property so that if there is a local fire that starts, those temperature sensors at 140 degrees will trigger the system and it will immediately start spraying a high volume of water. The system can also be enabled via a internet API, an internet system that will tell you if there's a wildfire nearby. That system sprays our standard amount of water because it has a lot of time in order to wet down the whole property. So here's our solar charger that charges the batteries. This is a specialty here back in the corner, this lime green firefighting foam. So once the large agricultural pump there starts pumping water, we also have a small diaphragm pump here that starts adding foam into the system. This firefighting foam is not like bubble bath. You have to use a very small percentage of foam to water so that the water will soak into and penetrate all of the plant and or flammable material around the property. This here is our actual electronic control box. This was designed by us, totally proprietary. It runs off a small microcontroller that is connected to the internet 24/7. It has all of the controls to turn on and off these pumps, to talk to the temperature sensors, to talk to the different other sensors we utilize, like a water depth sensor inside your water tank so you know how much water you have. It monitors the battery level, all of it. This system as well can be triggered by pressing this button right here. So you can push this button back up because it's going to start spraying water within a minute. We also have an app that is available on Android, the Google Play Store, or on iPhone, the Apple App Store, that you can use to monitor and control your system. All of that, it talks to this box right here, which gives you real-time updates from literally anywhere in the world. You'll also notice we have cooling fans installed in here. We have a fan in our control box, and then we have 2 other fans in the cabinet here that will help keep everything cool and running well. Okay, so let's go ahead and close our cabinet up. That is fully waterproof. Make sure your system stays nice and dry and protected from the elements. So please go ahead and visit us at drenchfire.com. We are also on all the major social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and LinkedIn. Feel free to contact us, email us, or call us at any time. All of our contact info is on the web.